I think I messed up. Big time. An aircraft vanished in a no-fly zone. Imagine flying into a no-fly zone. Risky, right? Well, that's exactly what happened. An aircraft unauthorized and off-course suddenly vanished from radar. No distress signal, no trace, it just gone. No-fly zones are strictly enforced for a reason. They can be military areas, national landmarks, or sensitive regions. Entering one can mean big trouble. So, how did this aircraft get there? Was it a navigation error? A pilot mistake? Or something more sinister? Search and rescue teams are on high alert, combing the area. But with no signals to follow, it's like finding a needle in a haystack. Could it be mechanical failure? Or maybe even an unknown threat? The mystery deepens every minute. Stay tuned as we uncover the truth behind this high-stakes disappearance. This is a story you don't want to miss.